everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Just checking I'm in focus. Yes, ma'am. Today I wanted to do a makeup look. I'm going to do kind of like a bronzy, summery kind of vibe. I am very pale, so I have to fake being bronzed quite often. I'm going to clip my hair back. These are from Taurus Moon Vintage. I will link her shop down below. I've already moisturized. I put on the Body Shop Vitamin E cream, day cream. And then I am going to be trying out the Sunshine Skin Tint from Milk Makeup. I've heard really good things about this on the old YouTube, so I'm going to try it and put it also on YouTube. The thing I heard about it is that it was annoying to get the product out. Nope. Seriously, what the F? What is going on here?
Where is it?
Hello, Milk Makeup. This doesn't work. Oh my god.
I'm telling you, my fucking finger just about fell off. I am not the only one. I'm currently watching videos because I was like, I remember people saying this was annoying to get the product out. I'm actually so frustrated. Why did this happen? Milk Makeup, please redo the packaging. That is ridiculous. I just don't understand. Like, I think this is 50 bucks. Like, where in production and like trials are they thinking that that's cool? Like, the consumer won't mind that they have to sit there for like an hour and click product out. Anywho, I think this is a good shade match. I picked light, and I probably pumped out way too much product now. It says to use your fingers. It has a dewy finish. Uh-oh. It has avocado oil. I'm allergic to avocado. I have to go to work later. Oh no. I'm gonna go wash my face and use something else. Great! Also, don't think it's a good match. Well, that was interesting, and that sucks because I really wanted to use that, and I'm gonna keep that footage because Milk Makeup needs as many people on the internet to show them that that product packaging is flipping annoying. So, Milk, please fix that. That's Craytown. Guess we're just going to go in with the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, which is not what I wanted to use today, but I don't have anything else. And I want this to be like a sheer, glowy, bronzy look, because I'm just going to work and I don't want to look insane. So, cool. I hope this video doesn't just have like a hint of frustration the whole time. And I'm annoyed. Laura Mercier is similar to like the actual product itself. It doesn't have SPF, but I'm not going to be outside, so that's okay. I just wanted to see how that would wear and feel on the skin. It did feel like sunscreen, like when sunscreen comes out and it has that like film to it. Kind of had that. Okay, haven't done a makeup tutorial in a while. Let's remember to tell people what we're doing. Glossier, this is called Stretch Concealer. Wow, that Milk Makeup really threw me off. And I'm just going to add this to all the spots that I have redness. I have a lot of little bumps on my face, and I'm pretty sure they're just from like sweat and whatever. I get them a lot in the summer. So I just want like just a glowy base. I like when skin shines through. I say that all the time. I'm not really one for like full coverage or anything matte. It's not going to work with my skin. That's for sure. So if you're a dewy girl, and not even dewy, I'm not dewy like oily, I'm just like embracing natural skin. Yeah, so if you're one of those and you enjoy natural skin, then this channel is for you. I am going to let my foundation sink into my head. So let's just do a little eyebrow, shall we? Just gonna brush these bad boys out. Using the...
No. Not today, Satan. Not today.
Using the MAC Makeup powder. I always forget the name. I'm not gonna pull this thing out right now. They're just like singles that you can purchase, and I've been using this powder for like 100 years to fill in my eyebrows. I will link it in the blog post with all the other products. I'm just gonna dust just a teensy bit. I'm like super, you can already see, it's pretty cool. I'm super rough with powder, like I just kind of put a little in there, zhuzh it around. I'm not trying to fill anything, I'm just trying to like even them out a bit. Try and create some evenness. They actually look okay. Sometimes that doesn't really work, so that's cool. I'm gonna go in with Glossier's Boy Brow in brown. I bought that when I had dark hair. I also don't mind dark eyebrows. I'm sure I've said this exact sentence before. I don't mind dark eyebrows with my lighter hair. I think it looks okay. But yeah, I kind of wish I bought the blonde color only because it is more universal. I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm using the Omega Bronze from Marc Jacobs. This is in the color Tantastic. The thing I love about this is this mirror. Like it's literally the size of my face. I'm going to bronze it up. So I've been doing this thing where I keep my bronzer way close and I really don't come over here because look how much more chiseled your face looks in comparison to the side. So I really don't bring it forward. That's why you use blush. I find when I do bronzer and I'm just trying to look like really just naturally bronzed up, that I'm like way more rough with it, and I really like get it into the hairline because I want it to look like I naturally got a little bit of a kiss going on. It's not like a contour. This is just where the sun would hit your skin. I love this bronzer. I'm very pale. Everything that I have on my face is in the color light. I think there's only 2 colors. This is Tantastic, and then I think there's only one more, which is really frustrating. Again, like super similar to that Chanel bronzer that I have. Not everyone is a universal color. Like that's just not even existent. Like what on planet Earth are you thinking to only have a couple of colors? What?
Why did that happen? What is today? Oh my god.
I'm so annoyed. Well, guess I'll be curling my hair later. Oh boy, what a day. So leftover bronzer. Just gonna rub on the old eyeballs here. And I just like the way that looks. And it fluffs up your old brows even more, which is what I like. I'm using Lancome blush in the color Cedar Rose. This is one of my all-time favorite blush colors. It's like a super natural color, but it's not super pink. It's like very flush. Maybe you got a little bit embarrassed. And then I do cheeks, and then I kind of go up here a little bit. And I'm using an e.l.f. angled blush brush. The other brush I was using for bronzer, I have no idea. It's just something from Winners that I picked up and actually liked for once. And I pack on a little bit of blush just because it's gonna for sure go away real quick. And then leftovers, a little bit on the nose, a little bit on the eyes as per usual. See, already super bronzy. Fake it, girl. I am going in with Tarteist Pro To Go, this teeny tiny little palette, which I think is really perfect if you are, one, a traveler, or you really don't wear a lot of makeup, but like those more neutral tones are more your friend. I'm going with the color Drive, which is this transition shade. It's actually a lot darker than it seems. But yeah, I was saying, if you honestly don't want to buy makeup at all, but you really want like a good quality makeup, then these like little Pro To Go, Tarte actually has a bunch of them. I mean, every brand has so many of them at Sephora in like the aisle that you walk through to purchase. I honestly, like, I buy so many of those little palettes just because I prefer smaller palettes to travel with. I find I wear more makeup when I'm traveling, which is strange, but it's like to go out at night or whatever. I just like little guys. I like to be able to pack. I'm saying like push because I'm pushing. I like to pack them in my bag, know that they're gonna make it and not be all smushed and smashed. Then going in with this color right here, the color Crisp, a teeny tiny bit. And this is like a super large fluffy brush. This is from some brand called Precision Beauty. I feel like my sister gave me this, I'm not too sure. But I'm just lightly dabbing that on the outside, just like that. This palette always smells so strange, like sweet. It's like cocoa. Taking a little bit on an e.l.f. This is called an eyeshadow brush. They're all called eyeshadow brushes. Okay, so these ones are like a little bit fatter and shorter, which I like. You can just really get it to run it under your eye there. I always attach my eyeshadows like top to bottom. I would honestly wear this look like to a wedding as well, like as a guest, not getting married. I just have a clean brush, and I'm just gonna clean up some of these edges a little. Like I was saying, I would wear this look to a wedding because it's just super natural and like neutral tones. Like you could wear this makeup look with any outfit that you're wearing. I am going with this little like bronzy sparkly color. It's called Hype. And I'm just going to pat it on lightly. I don't want too much. Just a wee bit. And then I'm going to take that brush and kind of just buff those together. So I just used the Glossier Lash Slick, of course. If you've been here before, you know that that is my jam. I'm going to cover the pimple that keeps coming out. I have a new one. I don't know why I keep getting them there. It's very annoying. Okay, and last but not least, I am going to use my very smooshed, broken to go Becca highlight. Honestly, I would never pay for a big one. They're so expensive for me. Love them so much, but I like the little to go guys because you can pop them in your bag a lot easier, and you can collect more than one color for the same price as one. And if you smash the big one, which I see people do all the time, I think these highlighters are just extremely delicate, like more than other ones. I would literally die as girls on a budget, like probably most of us are. And this one is Champagne Pop, which is like the more bronzy. I want to get the other one, what's it called?
I have a brain today, like I literally don't know what I'm doing.
Prosecco Pop? Maybe that's what it's called? I don't know, the lighter one. I swear I know what it is on a normal day. Isn't it weird how one thing can just completely throw you off? Like the frickin' Milk makeup thing really just threw me for a loop. I put highlight just here under the brow bone because I don't want to spread it out. I want my eyebrows to be like boop, boop. A little bit in the inner corner, teensy bit on the nose. I love putting highlight here because it makes your lips look. I completely forgot a lip thing and the idea of this look, so I'm just going to use Fenty's Gloss Bomb or whatever. Gloss Bomb? Gloss Bomb, I was right. This is a little bit of glitter. It's basically my lip color. Take these out even though my hair looks whack. So this is the finished look. This is the bronzy summer look that I go for. I just want to look a little extra tanned even though I'm definitely not. If you've used the skin tint before, let me know. If you're allergic to avocado also, like ingesting wise, and you're not allergic to avocado oil, I don't know. Maybe let me know in the comments below if that's a thing. Of course, all of us are different. I'm gonna have to try it out for myself. I hope that I don't get a rash just from putting it on my face today, so we will see later. Yeah, that definitely didn't go as planned today, but gotta roll with the punches, right? All of the products will be linked below in a blog post, so you can follow along to my website and you'll be able to see everything there, as well as a lot of fashion content and more sort of like shopping posts and beauty and lifestyle and food and travel and all that good stuff. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!